I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to report any issues on TikTok if occurred in. Besides the violation of community guidelines of TikTok, we'll be seeing that. Now let's dive right into the video, but before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open our TikTok app first. After that, you can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Tap there, and you can see the three-lined icon in the top right corner of your phone. Tap there. After that, tap on the settings and privacy button. You can see the report a problem under the category support over here. You just need to a little scroll down over here, and here it is. Let's report a problem, and you can see there are a lot of problems over here that have been previously issued to TikTok. And if your problems match the same criteria as these, you can just tap into it, and you can see a form over here, and you can just tap yes, or else you can just write your issue and send it to TikTok so they can resolve it. Okay guys, reporting an issue in TikTok is this easy, and if you have any comments or confusions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.